Good day, friends. In today's video, we're going to see about the difference between count and count A function in MS Excel. I have a range of cells in column B, which has a mixture of both text and numbers. So if we want to calculate only the numbers, then we will use the formula called count. Let us see how to use equal to COUNT open parenthesis. I'm selecting the range in column B. The moment once I press enter, I'm getting the answer as 8 because it has 8 different numbers including zeros. However, if I want to calculate the list of all the cells, then I can use the formula called count A. Count A stands for count all. COUNT A open parenthesis and selecting the entire range. So in this case, I'm getting the answer as 17. So this is how you can use the function count and count A. Thank you.